Today, we're delving into a statistical concept: how to find the median. Stick around, and I'll guide you through the steps. Let's jump into it. Step 1: Understanding the concept of median. The median is the middle value in a dataset when it's arranged in numerical order. If there's an even number of values, it's the average of the two middle values. Step 2: Sorting data in ascending order. The first step is to arrange your dataset in ascending order from the smallest to the largest. Step 3: Finding the middle value. If there's an odd number of values, the middle value is the one in the center. Step 4: Calculating the average for an even number of values. If there's an even number of values, the median is the average of the two middle values. Step 5: Real-life examples. Let's apply these steps to real-life examples. Imagine scenarios like finding the median household income or determining the median test score in a classroom. Step 6: Handling grouped data. If you're dealing with grouped data, where values fall into ranges, the process is slightly different. You can either write down each of the values in the table and crossing off values to find the middle value, or using the median formula and cumulative frequency. If the dataset is large, we can use the formula to work out the position of the median, and cumulative frequency to find the actual median value. Cumulative frequency is where we add up the numbers in the frequency column as we go down the table. Step 7: Using technology. While manual calculations are important for understanding, using technology can be more efficient. And there you have it. A comprehensive guide on how to find the median. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.